Hi, we're Team 3 and we're glad to introduce to you Glassy. The design thinking methodology offers a clear way to take an idea to a finished product. The stages revolve around Gen Z problems of sustainability and its implementation into everyday products, the lack of space in living accommodation, and the customizability and fashionability of everyday items. Market research is used to define the idea. Considering all trends, needs, and market developments, the following product was proposed: a reusable, recyclable, and customizable silicone sleeve to feed over a recycled glass multi-use water bottle, allowing a changeable, reusable, and personalized everyday water consumption experience. Bottle accessories market is valued at 16,000 million US dollars with an annual growth rate of 4.9%. We are focusing in the European market, specifically the UK, because it is the second largest market. Reflecting a broader trend, 8 out of 10 people in the UK have embraced sustainability by making lifestyle changes, with 42% willing to invest more in sustainability options. This shift is further exemplified by the rising popularity of minimalistic designs, which are closely linked to sustainability, marking a significant trend in the UK market. Our target audience is people in the UK who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. They link minimalism with sustainability, valuing simplicity, functionality, and aesthetics in their choices. They have an on-the-go lifestyle and seek products that integrate into their daily routines. For our customers, sustainability and quality are not just considerations but investments, reflecting a deeper commitment to ethical consumption. Glassy is a product for eco-conscious and fashionable consumers who are not satisfied with having to buy a new thermo every time they want a new style or design. Our proposition will help them adapt their reusable bottles to their every mood. When they want their bottles to be an accessory, unlike standard water bottle sleeves, we do ours from recycled silicone. It is better because it prevents the glass from breaking and is more sustainable and a trendy way of consuming. In this slide, we can see the manufacturing process, cost, and impact for the glass bottles and sleeves. Since we are focusing on sustainability and fashion for the brand identity, we enlisted some of the impacts our product could have and how to mitigate them. Both of the products are going to be manufactured and recycled by the company so that the brand can be accountable for the product through all its life cycle. Also, this will help us with the recycling strategy, which is part of the circular economy plan we will integrate in the manufacturing process, where waste becomes our primary resource. Now, most of the cost comes from manufacturing, and thanks to the use of clean energy and recycled materials, the production is cheaper than normal, meaning that we can have a higher revenue. The price of our product is set at £30 for the bottle and $25 per sleeve. We use the premium pricing strategy that represents quality, transparency, and that will support our sustainable production.
The concept development phase has been crucial for the ideation of the proposed new product in order to bring clarity, coherence, and structure to it. Reusable water bottles have been used by millions of people around the world. However, in such a fast-moving society, everything changes, and consumers seek accessories that can be easily personalized. By reasoning in this direction, it has been identified a difficulty in possessing customizable water bottles, and it is for this reason that the team has come up with a product that allows to address this issue. In the previous years, brands including Waterdrop, Frank Green, and BKR have attempted to address the need for self-expression on the daily use accessories, while implementing sustainable practices in their manufacturing. However, any of the mentioned competitors has ever launched a low-impact and recycled glass water bottle, where every element is produced with reused materials. The concept of our bottle will have the following features, including a colorful and seasonal selection of silicone sleeves, a stainless lid, and also a snug handle. However, to bring the best version of it to the market and stimulate its adoption, we plan to develop and test a product prototype that is going to be given to a selected audience segment after an established usage period. Then a survey will be delivered with the aim of assessing its appeal, innovativeness, purchase intent, quality, relevance, uniqueness, value, and believability of the product messaging.
To be our supplier, we have chosen to align ourselves with Maron Glass, a global leader in eco-friendly packaging. Their glass is not just beautiful, it's a testament to environmental responsibility, made entirely from reusable materials and being 100% recyclable. It mirrors our commitment to the planet and resonates with the quality we want to promise our customers. Moving on to the sleeves, we have navigated through the complexities highlighted by Paulina. Our solution is bringing the production in-house by acquiring a machine that will cost $5,000, and we will need to manufacture the silicone sleeves. At first, we're going to manufacture them by itself, but in the future, we want to make this by recyclable materials. So in that way, we're going to promote our brand and our product is going to be recyclable.
Now, going to Glassy's market position, here's a detailed SWOT analysis. As you can see, there are great opportunities in forming partnerships with high-profile brands, diversifying the product line, and initiating marketing campaigns to showcase the environmental and fashionable advantage of Glassy's products. On the other side, there are some potential challenges, including a competitive market entry, regulatory changes, and potential doubts regarding the environmental impact and transparency of the product. Based on the previous slides, let's examine the most relevant challenges and detail the strategic responses. For supply chain transparency, we should prioritize end-to-end visibility with detailed mapping. In the competitive market, we will focus on continuous innovation, strategic pricing, and exceptional customer service that leads to brand loyalty. Finally, for environmental and sustainability risk, we will reinforce our reputation with transparent communication and environmental certifications. Each strategy was thought to turn potential risk into growth opportunities and strengthening our brand's commitment to sustainability.
In terms of the metrics and KPIs, first we have the financial. So we want to ensure profitability while remaining cost effective. Every decision we make is a stepping stone towards financial robust future. For operational, our goal is to optimize production efficiently without compromising quality, thus increasing customer satisfaction and minimizing waste. For strategy and quality, consistency is the key. We aim to maintain the highest supplier performance and product quality standards. For sustainability and compliance, our commitment is to minimize environmental impact and exceed regulatory standards, not just meet them. For customer market, we are deeply investing in understanding our market position and customer loyalty. It's about creating products that resonate and foster a strong connection with our customers. In terms of the branding, Glassy is an innovative and durable, resistant, sophisticated and conscious brand that understands the importance of individual style, trends, fashion, and the health of the planet. The logo symbolizes a human and it's a representation of a water drop, since we want to promote hydration. We care about quality and sustainability as an organization, and we want to represent innovation. Glassy is more than just a brand statement that will be seen as a part of you towards a sustainable and expressive future.
Now let's turn to brand equity, reflecting how our name will be recognized, trusted, and preferred by consumers. Glassy is shaped by environmental values. Customers are loyal not just because of the quality of the product, but also because of the brand's dedication to reducing waste and promoting a fashionable yet responsible lifestyle. As Glassy grows, its identity will be increasingly associated with innovative, eco-conscious solutions in the reusable water bottle and accessories market.
Now, having heard everything about this lovely product, how are we actually going to take it to market? As we have learned at Halt, it is not as easy as just saying, here's a product. You need a marketing strategy to actually launch a new product. To start with a successful marketing strategy, we have focused on our unique selling point. We will focus in every single material on the unique eco-friendliness with the 100% recycled silicone that Gen Z's sustainability concerns are yearning for. We will offer customizable sleeves for personal expression and promote these accordingly. For our channels, we are once again sticking to what Gen Z wants from us, utilizing TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms should they emerge, which promote short-form video content to promote to Gen Z in a way that they understand and actually have the attention span for. For our content strategy, apart from short-term video format, we aim to educate on sustainability and the product's environmental benefit. We will do so partnering with the relevant influencers in this space that do so, and we aim to cultivate a community centered around these values on the platforms mentioned earlier. As for our specific launch strategy, we will begin with teasers on our channels. Then we will be hosting a virtual event through the live streaming channels that these platforms provide, and we will be leveraging real-time interactions with our target audience to get the highest amount of engagement possible.
Lastly, here is a representation on how we envision the brand and the color palette that the sleeves will have. So this is the idea and how the socials can look like.
As you can see, Glassy's product development journey represents a commitment to emerging fashion trends, functionality, and environmental responsibility. We're offering a product that meets the needs of the present without compromising the future. Thank you very much for listening.